Okay, so in this video we're going to take a look at how I use the help of AI to make this cover for my book, and I did it using PowerPoint. So we're going to see how we can integrate the support of AI within PowerPoint to create something that looks like this, and it is of course original. So at first, the things you can probably tell because you have already done the course is that rest of the things are pretty simple. The only thing that may get your eye is the icon here, the light bulb, the image right over here. And yes, this is the thing that I generated with the help of AI. And now we're going to go to my ChatGPT chat history to see how I generated this light bulb. Was I able to do it in one go, or did I have to, make a few attempts? And I'm gonna show you all of the secrets that I did to get this light bulb symbol and use it to make the cover of the book. Okay, so let's go. Here I have my GPT open. So at first I commanded it to generate a simple image of AI light bulb. So this is what I got from it. So then I made the next order, which was to make the background black. It turned the background into black. But I wanted something transparent, and I also didn't want it to look this much crowded. I wanted something that's simple yet eye-catching. So for the next command, I wrote more simple please. And then we got this product, the end product that I was happy with. And as you can see on this one, there is no glow to it. And if you see, look at this one, there was a little bit of a glow to it. And I was actually looking for that glow, and ChatGPT gave me that glow even without asking. But if it hadn't given me this glow around the light bulb, I would have asked again for a glow right after I asked for a simpler version of it. Okay, so now I was happy with it. The only problem that was still there is that it didn't have a transparent background. So it wasn't an icon or something. It was an image with the entire thing, the black background and all that. So this time what I did was I downloaded it and then I uploaded it here. Before hitting the command, I said remove the background. So my previous experience is that once ChatGPT gives you an image and you want the background removed, you just command it like the previous commands I did. Let's say if I had said here, please remove the background, then it would have given you a different image without a background. But I wanted this exact image. That's why I downloaded it, re-uploaded it before giving the order to remove the background. And then it removed the background, and instead of giving me a picture, it just gave me a link, a downloadable file link, and I clicked on it and I downloaded that particular picture that I needed without the background. So if you go back to PowerPoint right now, you can see that I can remove it. There you go. As you can see, this is what the end result was. So what I did was I went to design. There you go. And I changed the format of the background, turned it black, and put the icon wherever I want it. And since this thing actually has a glow effect right over there, you can see there's glow effect, I decided to choose the glow effect for the text that's going to be right on the top of it, making it look like that this AI is powering that concept, which is right in here is the concept of money, because this book is about how to make money with AI or how to make money with ChatGPT. So that's why I made this one a little bit glowy. And then I wanted to see which color contrasts good with the black color. So I chose yellow for that simple text. And you can even see the type of text I chose. Okay. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And then I also gave the background black a little bit of a gradient. So if you go to design, let's see, for my background, there you can see my gradient patterns there. I give it a little bit of a gradient. The gradient I wanted, I actually had different gradients before I made the final choice. So this is something on the choosing process of your design. You don't just finalize something, you do multiple things with it, you play around a little bit, and then you decide on the final result. So these ones, they're lighting it, but they're not like lighting the entire thing, that there's all just light. But then I choose this one where the radius of the light is given a radius and it doesn't go outside of it. But it didn't go well with the concept, even though the book says that it is practically for the e-learning field. But the way the book is showing you the content of how to use AI to make money in the e-learning field, you can use those concepts and put it in another field and do a little bit of a trial and error to get the same sort of results. So I didn't want the concept to show a boundary of the light. The light is representing the power of AI here. That's why I wanted to make the light go everywhere, but not that prominent, because the book is not going to directly show you every single field. The book is focused on e-learning, right? That's why I also have the subtitle 5 Practical Ways to Profit in the E-Learning Sector. So that was my concept behind that was the idea behind the work and the iterations I did, and then I finally decided on the iteration that you were seeing first time in the screen, which is this one. And then I also did the back page of the book. So yeah, that is how I did it. But if you have already done the course, there might be some audiences here, because this is going to be a public video on YouTube, that have not done my PowerPoint course. But if you do my PowerPoint course, then all that explanation I just did wasn't necessary for the students who have already done the course, because I go over all of those things in the course, and that course covers not only graphic design but also slide making and almost every single thing that can be done with PowerPoint, even animation videos, right? So I also have some examples of simple animation videos I did with PowerPoint. They're available on YouTube if you want to watch it. Okay. And yeah, I'll put this video in that playlist where I did some other things with PowerPoint, so you can check out the playlist to see what other things you can do with PowerPoint if you do my PowerPoint course. And those of you who have already done my PowerPoint course, only the explanation of what I did with ChatGPT was necessary for you guys, and I believe you guys can make even better book covers with what you have learned about AI here. And you already have the skills. I mean, you even built a CV, right? You did a banner design and all that. So making a book cover is going to be pretty easy for you. And with the help of AI, you can even take it to the next level, because making unique shapes took a lot of time, right? And complicated shapes like this one, the light bulb, it would have taken a lot of time and a lot of redos, a lot of trial and errors, but we got it with 3 or 4 commands with the help of ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay, so this is what you can do. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this was interesting and you got to learn something new. Have a great day.